Also breaking, two developments today related to the question, will Donald Trump remain on the ballot in next month's Illinois primary?
An effort to remove him here remains on as the U.S. Supreme Court tomorrow hears arguments on whether this effort underway in several states is actually legal. CBS 2 political reporter Chris Tye is live for us in the newsroom with the very latest. Chris?
Hey, Jim and Marie. Trump remains on the ballot in Illinois as we speak, but the objectors who want him off have been given the green light to continue their fight by a Cook County judge today. But just as that hearing on that case was about to start, Illinois Senator Dick Durbin took the very rare move of calling for a Supreme Court justice to recuse himself on the Colorado case on this very matter being heard in front of the High Court tomorrow. So here's how this all plays out. To back it up a bit, this all centers on whether former president violated the insurrection clause of the 14th Amendment back on January 6, 2021. Tomorrow, the U.S. Supreme Court will begin hearings on that. If they rule in Trump's favor, most of these efforts, Illinois, Colorado, Maine, and elsewhere, would likely be tossed out. Today, Illinois Senator Dick Durbin took the very rare step of calling on one of the Supreme Court justices, Clarence Thomas, to recuse himself from the case. Why? Thomas's wife had been called before the January 6th committee behind closed doors. After January 6th, it became public that she was texting with Trump's chief of staff in an effort to overturn the Trump loss. I spoke minutes ago with Senator Dick Durbin about this very rare move.
I thought about it long and hard. I've never done this before. And my feeling is that Justice Thomas has some serious issues that really reflect on the integrity of the United States Supreme Court. This situation where his wife was directly in touch with the Trump administration in the White House during the period of the election denial really says to me he should step aside from this decision for the good and reputation of the court.
So what's next here? The Supreme Court hears the Colorado case tomorrow, likely to rule on it by the end of the month to offer clarity for states having primaries in early March. Now, here in Illinois, Jim and Marie, all parties are back in court a week from Friday as the question of whether Trump should remain on the ballot here takes center stage. Live in the newsroom, Chris Tye, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Chris.